Do you want to need faucet service? Faucet repair, supply, and replacement in Ottawa. A leaky faucet can look like a small issue, however, there are many reasons why you need to get it fixed. Dripping water can gradually stain the sink and rust your fixtures. Trickles and drips wastewater and contributes to a higher water bill. Our faucet services includes faucet repairs, faucet installations, faucet replacements. At Ottawa Plumbing Service, we always arrive with a selection of faucets. We carefully research and select what we believe to be the best faucets with regard to performance, price, quality and design. Repairing faucets. We are faucet repair experts at Ottawa Plumbing Services. We provide residential and commercial services. We are familiar with most faucet brands. We are stocked with most repair parts. We have qualified installers who will carry out a decent job and make cleaning your dishes easy and fast. You will be able to trust the friendly, skillful professionals at Ottawa Plumbing Service. Call our Ottawa plumbers today at 613-317-1682 or just email us.